Good morning. We are one day away from a new year. One day away from a fresh start. One day away from new beginnings. And today, I want to talk to you about something powerful. Something that God specializes in. Something that is available to every single person, regardless of what happened last year, regardless of how broken things feel, regardless of how far you think you have fallen. Restoration. God is a God of restoration. He restores what was broken. He rebuilds what was destroyed. He renews what was worn out. He revives what was dead. He makes all things new. And as we stand on the edge of a new year, as we prepare to close one chapter and open another, we need to pray a prayer of restoration. A prayer that says, God, restore me. Restore what was lost. Restore what was broken. Restore what was stolen. Restore what was damaged. Start me over. Give me a fresh beginning. Make me new. Because some of you are carrying brokenness from this past year. Relationships that fell apart. Dreams that died. Health that declined. Finances that collapsed. Faith that wavered. Hope that faded. And you feel like the damage is irreversible. Like what was lost can never be recovered. Like what broke can never be fixed. But that is a lie. Because our God is a God of restoration. And what looks dead to you, He can resurrect. What looks broken to you, He can rebuild. What looks lost to you, He can recover. And today, we are praying for restoration, for new beginnings, for fresh starts, for God to do what only He can do. Make all things new. The foundation of our prayer today is found in Joel chapter 2, verse 25. And it says, And I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten. I will restore. Not might. Not maybe. I will. God promises restoration. He promises to give back what was taken. To rebuild what was destroyed. To recover what was lost. The years that the locust hath eaten. The seasons that were wasted. The time that was lost. The opportunities that were missed. The relationships that were broken. The dreams that were deferred. God says, I will restore it. I will give it back. I will make up for lost time. I will rebuild what was destroyed. And if God can restore years, if He can give back what was eaten by locusts, then He can restore anything. He can restore your marriage. He can restore your health. He can restore your finances. He can restore your joy. He can restore your hope. He can restore your faith. He can restore your dreams. He can restore you. Completely. Totally. Miraculously. Here is what happens when you do not believe in restoration. You stay stuck. You accept brokenness as permanent. You resign yourself to loss. You give up on what was. You settle for less than what God has for you. You live in the ruins instead of rebuilding. You mourn what died instead of believing for resurrection. But when you believe in restoration, when you pray for new beginnings, when you invite God to start you over, hope rises. Faith increases. Expectation builds. Because you are not just looking at what was. You are looking at what can be. You are not just mourning the loss. You are believing for recovery. You are not just accepting brokenness. You are praying for healing. And when you pray that prayer, when you ask God to restore, when you believe He can make all things new, He does. He moves. He works. He restores. And what looked impossible becomes reality. Subscribe to this channel and automatically you become part of this prayer chain. From now on, you are not praying alone. We are praying for you every day as part of this family of faith. Now I need you to think about what needs restoration in your life. What is broken? What is lost? What is damaged? What feels beyond repair? Maybe it is your marriage. The connection is gone. The love has grown cold. The intimacy has faded. And you feel like it is over. But God can restore it. Maybe it is your health. Your body is broken. Your energy is depleted. Your vitality is gone. And you feel like you will never be strong again. But God can restore it. Maybe it is your finances. You are in debt. You are in lack. You are struggling to make ends meet. And you feel like you will never get ahead. But God can restore it. Maybe it is your dreams. They died. They were deferred. They seem impossible now. And you feel like it is too late. But God can restore them. Maybe it is your joy. Depression took it. Disappointment stole it. Hardship crushed it. And you feel like you will never smile again. But God can restore it. Maybe it is your faith. You have been hurt by the church. Disappointed by unanswered prayers. Confused by God's silence. And you feel like you cannot believe anymore. But God can restore it. Whatever it is, whatever needs restoration, God can do it. He specializes in restoration. He is the God who makes all things new. So today, we are asking Him. We are praying for restoration. We are believing for new beginnings. So I want you to say this. Say it out loud. Write it in the comments. Pray it with faith. God, start me over. Say it again. God, start me over. Restore what was broken. Rebuild what was destroyed. Renew what was worn out. Start me over. Give me a fresh beginning. Make me new. Father, I come to you one day before a new year and I ask you for restoration. I ask you to restore what was broken, to rebuild what was destroyed, to renew what was worn out, to revive what was dead. I need a fresh start. I need a new beginning. I need you to make me new. So I pray, God, start me over. I ask you to restore my heart. Where it has been broken, heal it. Where it has been hardened, soften it. Where it has been wounded, mend it. Where it has been closed, open it. Restore my heart to the way you created it to be. I ask you to restore my mind. Where it has been tormented, bring peace. Where it has been confused, bring clarity. Where it has been negative, bring hope. Where it has been anxious, bring rest. Renew my mind. Make it sound. Make it whole. I ask you to restore my spirit. Where it has been crushed, lift it. Where it has been discouraged, encourage it. Where it has been weak, strengthen it. Where it has been dead, revive it. Breathe life into my spirit again. I ask you to restore my body. Where there is sickness, bring healing. Where there is pain, bring relief. Where there is weakness, bring strength. Where there is exhaustion, bring renewal. Touch my body. Restore my health. I ask you to restore my relationships. Where there has been division, bring unity. Where there has been hurt, bring healing. Where there has been distance, bring connection. Where there has been brokenness, bring restoration. Rebuild what was torn down. I ask you to restore my marriage. Where love has grown cold, reignite it. Where intimacy has faded, restore it. Where communication has broken down, rebuild it. Where hope has died, resurrect it. Save my marriage, Lord. I ask you to restore my family. Where there is prodigal children, bring them home. Where there is conflict, bring peace. Where there is division, bring unity. Where there is pain, bring healing. Restore my family. I ask you to restore my finances. Where there is debt, bring freedom. Where there is lack, bring abundance. Where there is struggle, bring breakthrough. Where there are closed doors, open them. Provide for me, Lord. I ask you to restore my dreams. The ones that died. The ones that were deferred. The ones that seem impossible. Resurrect them, Lord. Breathe life into them. Make a way for them. Fulfill them. I ask you to restore my joy. Where depression has taken it, restore it. Where disappointment has stolen it, give it back. Where hardship has crushed it, rebuild it. Let joy rise in me again. I ask you to restore my hope. Where despair has settled, remove it. Where doubt has crept in, cast it out. Where hopelessness has taken root, uproot it. Fill me with hope again. I ask you to restore my faith. Where it has been shaken, stabilize it. Where it has been weakened, strengthen it. Where it has been questioned, confirm it. Where it has been lost, restore it. Increase my faith. I ask you to restore what the enemy stole. Every blessing, every opportunity, every relationship, every dream, every joy. Give it back, Lord. Restore what was stolen. I ask you to restore the years that were wasted, the time that was lost, the seasons that were hard, the opportunities that were missed. Redeem the time, Lord. Make up for what was lost. I ask you to restore what I destroyed, the mistakes I made, the relationships I ruined, the opportunities once squandered, the gifts I neglected. Forgive me, Lord. Restore what I broke. I declare that restoration is coming, that what was broken is being healed, that what was lost is being recovered, that what was dead is being resurrected, that what was old is being made new. I declare that I am not defined by my past, that I am not limited by what was, that I am not stuck in brokenness, that God is making all things new, that He is starting me over. I declare that this new year is a fresh start, a new beginning, a clean slate, a new chapter, that the old has passed away, that the new has come. I declare that God is doing a new thing, that He is making a way in the wilderness, that He is creating streams in the desert, that what seemed impossible is becoming possible. And I thank you, Lord, that you are a God of restoration, that nothing is too broken for you, that nothing is too far gone, that nothing is irreversible. You specialize in restoration. You make all things new. So I trust you. I believe you. I receive restoration. Start me over, Lord. Give me a fresh beginning. Make me new. And now, Father, I lift up every person who needs restoration, every person who is praying for a fresh start, every person who needs you to make them new. I speak restoration over them. I pray for the one whose marriage is broken. Restore it, Lord. Do a miracle. Bring healing. Reignite love. Save that marriage. I pray for the one whose health is broken. Restore it, Lord. Heal their body. Strengthen them. Renew their vitality. Perform miracles. I pray for the one whose finances are broken. Restore them, Lord. Open doors. Provide resources. Break debt. Bring abundance. I pray for the one whose family is broken. Restore it, Lord. Bring prodigals home. Heal relationships. Unite what has been divided. I pray for the one whose dreams are broken. Restore them, Lord. Resurrect what died. Revive what faded. Make a way for fulfillment. I pray for the one whose joy is broken. Restore it, Lord. Lift depression. Remove heaviness. Let gladness return. I pray for the one whose hope is broken. Restore it, Lord. Remove despair. Cast out doubt. Fill them with expectation. I pray for the one whose faith is broken. Restore it, Lord. Heal the wounds. Answer the questions. Reveal yourself. Strengthen their belief. I pray for the one who feels too broken, who thinks they are beyond repair, who has given up hope. Show them your power, Lord. Restore what they think is irreversible. Do the impossible. I pray for the one who destroyed their own life, who made terrible choices, who ruined relationships, who wasted opportunities. Extend grace, Lord. Forgive them. Restore what they broke. Give them a fresh start. I pray for the one who was broken by others, who was abused, who was betrayed, who was abandoned. Heal them, Lord. Restore what was stolen. Rebuild what was destroyed. Make them whole. I pray for the one who lost years to addiction, to prison, to illness, to bad choices. Redeem the time, Lord. Restore the years. Make up for what was lost. I pray for the one starting over, after divorce, after bankruptcy, after failure, after loss. Be with them, Lord. Guide them. Provide for them. Bless their new beginning. I pray for the one who is afraid to hope, who has been disappointed too many times, who is scared to believe again. Give them courage to hope, Lord. Show them that you are faithful. Restore their trust. I pray for the one who needs physical restoration, who has been sick, who has been in pain, who has been weak. Touch their body, Lord. Heal them completely. Restore their health. I pray for the one who needs emotional restoration, who has been depressed, who has been anxious, who has been traumatized. Heal their emotions, Lord. Restore their peace. Make them whole. I pray for the one who needs spiritual restoration, who has been far from you, who has been lukewarm, who has been backslidden. Draw them back, Lord. Restore their passion. Renew their commitment. I pray for the one who needs relational restoration, with their spouse, with their children, with their parents, with their friends. Heal those relationships, Lord. Restore connection. Rebuild trust. I pray for the one who needs financial restoration, who has been in debt, who has been in lack, who has been struggling. Provide for them, Lord. Open doors. Break cycles. Restore abundance. I pray for the one who needs vocational restoration, who lost their job, who hates their work, who feels stuck. Open doors, Lord. Give them favor. Lead them to the right opportunity. I pray for the one who needs restoration of reputation, who has been slandered, who has been misunderstood, who has been falsely accused. Vindicate them, Lord. Restore their name. Defend them. I pray for the one who needs restoration of purpose, who feels lost, who does not know their calling, who feels directionless. Reveal their purpose, Lord. Give them clarity. Set them on the right path. And I pray that everyone would experience restoration, that God would do what only He can do, that He would make all things new, that fresh starts would come, that new beginnings would unfold, that restoration would manifest. Do it, Lord, start us over. Make us new. To the one who thinks it is too late, it is not. To the one who thinks it is too broken, it is not. To the one who thinks it is impossible, it is not. To the one who has given up hope, do not. God is a God of restoration. He makes all things new. He can restore what you think is irreversible. He can heal what you think is too broken. He can resurrect what you think is dead. Ask Him. Believe Him. Receive from Him. God, start me over. And watch Him do it. Watch Him restore. Watch Him make all things new. A fresh start is coming. A new beginning is here. Restoration is available. Receive it. Our Father which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done in earth, as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. And forgive us our debts, as we forgive our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever. Today we prayed for restoration. We asked God to start us over. We believed for new beginnings. And I want to ask you to share this prayer with 9 people. Share it with people who need restoration. Share it with people who are broken. Share it with people who need a fresh start. When you share this prayer with 9 people, you are symbolizing the 9 fruits of the Spirit: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. You are offering hope. You are extending restoration. You are pointing people to the God who makes all things new. So share this now. Tag someone who needs restoration. Send this to someone who is broken. Let this prayer reach people who need to know that God can start them over. That He can make them new. That restoration is possible. Because when we pray for restoration together, when we believe for new beginnings together, when we trust God to make all things new together, restoration comes. Healing happens. Miracles manifest. So share it. And watch what God does. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. May God restore you. May He heal what is broken. May He recover what is lost. May He renew what is worn out. May He resurrect what is dead. May He start you over. May He give you a fresh beginning. May He make you new. Today, tomorrow, and always. God, start me over. Amen.